Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adding stickers to your photos can make them more fun and personalized. With the iPhone, you can easily add stickers using the built-in photo app or other photo editing apps. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you add stickers to your photos on your iPhone. The first step is to open the photo app. Launch the Photos app from your home screen. Next, you select a photo. Scroll through your photo and tap on the one you want to edit. Now enter the edit mode. Tap the edit button in the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to access markup. Tap on the three dot menu icon at the top right corner. Select markup from the option. Or you can just select an icon that looks like a pen. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and select sticker or emoji from the menu that appears. Here, you can choose a sticker from the list. You can scroll through the available sticker and tap on the one you like. Next, you position and resize the sticker. Once the sticker appears on your photo, use your finger to drag it to the desired position. When you're happy with the placement and size of the sticker, tap Done to exit the markup too. Tap Done again to save the edited photo. And that's it guys, adding sticker to your photo on your iPhone is a fun and simple way to enhance your photos. Whether you're using the photo app markup tool or other photo editing app, you can easily personalize your image with a variety of stickers and emoji. Enjoy creating unique and fun photos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.